हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सो आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ अप्रैल मंथ के करंट अफेयर्स। और होस्ट ये जो करंट अफेयर्स हैं ये आपके जितने भी आने वाले एग्जाम हैं उसमें इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं। सो इसी होप के साथ आई विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट पॉइंट देयर। ओडिशा वाज ऑफिशियली एस्टैब्लिश्ड एज अ सेपरेट स्टेट ऑन अप्रैल 1 को जो है ऑफिशियली जो है एस्टैब्लिश किया गया ओडिशा को 1936 में, मेकिंग इट द फर्स्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया टू बी फॉर्म्ड ऑन लिंग्विस्टिक बेसिस। सो इट इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया. It is also an important point there to be formed on the linguistic basis. Then the state government of Uttarakhand recently set two expert panels to conduct risk assessment and monitor 5 glacial lakes that have been facing risk of danger. So उत्तराखंड गवर्नमेंट ने दो एक्सपर्ट पैनल जो हैं वो बिठाए हैं वहाँ पर, तो मॉनिटर करेंगे ग्लेशियर लेक्स को जो कि डेंजर पर है, रिस्क पर है. देन थर्ड पॉइंट की तरफ चलते हैं. ताइवान वाज हिट बाय अ स्ट्रॉन्ग अर्थक्वेक इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग्स ऑफ April 3, 2024, measuring 7.2 on Richter scale. The next point is South Korea has successfully launched its second domestically developed military spy satellite, and the satellite was carried by SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket and it was launched from American Space Center. आगे चलते हैं. This year, the year basically 2024 marks the centennial of discovery of electroencephalogram EEG by the German psychiatrist Hans Berger. Then next point की तरफ चलते हैं. Gangu Ramsey was one of the 7 Ramsey brothers known for cult horror movies in 1970 and 1980s, passed away at 83. Next point है. Nepal army will collect around 10 tons of garbage and 5 bodies lying at Mount Everest as a part of the mountain cleaning campaign 2024 in the Mount Everest region. And in a significant judgment released recently, the Supreme Court of India recognized the right against adverse effects of climate change as a fundamental right. So this is a new important point there, as a fundamental right within the ambit of Articles 14, that is right to equality, and the Article 21, that is right to life of the Indian Constitution. आगे चलते हैं. Indian Army received the first batch of 24 Russia-made Igla S-man portable air defense systems and 100 missiles as a part of larger deal that include domestic production in India as well. So Indian Army has received that first batch of 24 Russia-made like Igla S-man portable air defense systems. आगे चलते हैं अगले पॉइंट की तरफ. जनरल दिमित्रियोस चौपिस, द चीफ ऑफ ग्रीस नेशनल डिफेंस जनरल स्टाफ, arrived in India for official visit on Monday, April 8, 2024. Tata Advanced Systems Limited successfully launched India's first military-grade geospatial satellite built entirely by the private sector. So this is the India's first military-grade geospatial satellite. On April 9, 2024, Supreme Court of India made a significant ruling regarding the right to privacy of election candidates. As you all know that कि जब भी इलेक्शन होते हैं तो हमारे ये जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं इनको पूरा अपना देना पड़ता है कि उनकी क्या प्रॉपर्टी है, क्या क्या उनके पास चीज़ें हैं, सब कुछ उनको डिटेल में देना पड़ता है, एवरीथिंग. So like now Supreme Court made a significant ruling regarding the right to privacy of election candidates. Justice Aniruddha Bose, known for his intellectual brilliance and sartorial elegance, retired from the Supreme Court after 5-year tenure. And the next point is the Tri-Shakti Corps of Indian Army recently conducted a training exercise on anti-tank guided missile firing at a super high altitude area of 17,000 feet in Sikkim. And World Homeopathy Day was celebrated on 10th April. So you will remember this. World Homeopathy Day celebrated on 10th April in the honor of Dr. Samuel, the founder of homeopathy. The next is devastating forest fire in the Sultan Bay 3 forest range under the Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala, and it destroys nearly 100 acres of land. The next point is Election Commission of India eliminated the requirement of Kashmiri migrant voters in Jammu and Udhampur district of J&K to fill out Form M to vote in the Lok Sabha polls. So the Indian Election Commission has eliminated this requirement. And Blue Origin, the space company founded by Jeff Bezos, has announced that Indian national Gopi Chand Thotakura will be the part of 6-member crew on the next New Shepard mission, and if it will be successful, then he will be the second Indian citizen in the space. Ambedkar Jayanti 2024, celebrating the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the father of Indian Constitution, and it was observed on April 14. So it was observed on April 14, and this year marks the 134th birthday of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Siachen Day, and it is clearly, as you all know, that Siachen Day is one of the important day for Indian military or for the all over India. So it was observed on 13th April. It signifies the bravery and sacrifice of Indian Army soldiers. Just a minute, friends. Indian Army soldiers serving as the highest battlefield in the world, the Siachen Glacier, and also the Operation Meghdoot was launched on the same day in 1984 to secure the glacier. Then, according to the Plastic Overshoot Day, and this Overshoot Day is basically observed on 5th of September. And according to this Plastic Overshoot Day report by the Swiss non-profit Earth Action, India has one of the lowest per capita plastic waste production rates globally. However, the plastic global waste plastic generation has been increased by 7.1% since 2021. Then the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD unveiled its climate strategy 2030 document on Earth Day to address India's growing need of green financing. Next point is recently the DRDO, that is Defense Research Development Organization, developed the lightest bulletproof jacket in India, and this jacket designed by Defense Materials and Stores Research and Development establishment in Kanpur. So this is the lightest bulletproof jacket. Indian Air Force achieved significant milestone by successfully test firing an air launched ballistic missile known as ROCKS or Crystal 2 May. So that is an air launched ballistic missile. The next or the last point of this video is the Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, IIT Guwahati, in collaboration with Systems Voter Education and Electoral Participation Cell in Assam, has developed an innovative 3D printed dummy ballot unit. So these are some of the important points of this month. I know that students, or you also know that there are so many things in this month, but I will try to discuss some of the important events there. So this is for this April 2024. Thank you very much.